Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the grouping of cell for simplification for a K-map, Karnaugh map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic, grouping of cells. Once the Boolean function is plotted on the K-map, we have to grouping techniques to simplify the Boolean function. The given Boolean function is plotted on the K-map. After that we need to go a grouping technique. Then only we can go for simplified Boolean function. Grouping is nothing but combining the terms in a adjacent cell. Right? We are going to combine the cell in the adjacent cell, that is called a grouping, so that we can simplify, we can reduce the Boolean function. First we will see the neighboring cells in a adjustment. Neighboring cell in a row or adjacent row. So the row wise we can group, right? Horizontal manner. Either first cell, second cell, or second to third cell, third to fourth cell. So horizontally we can group the cells. Neighboring cells in the column or adjacent. So similarly this vertically also we can make a grouping, right? Vertical first cell and fifth cell. Similarly these two cells, like that we can group. Similarly the leftmost and corresponding rightmost cells all grouped. The leftmost and corresponding rightmost cell also adjacent. For example, this cell, leftmost cell and rightmost cell, these two cells also grouped like that. So like this it is grouped like this cell and this cell, right? So either horizontally or vertically or in a right and leftmost cells also grouped. These are all coming under two cells, grouping of two cells. Now we will go to the next method. So similarly the top and corresponding bottom cells also adjacent. The top, this cell and this cell. So these are all grouped like this. This cell and this cell also can be grouped, right? So the four grouping terms are available. One is horizontal or vertical, or rightmost and leftmost cells are grouped, or top and bottom cells also grouped, right? So these are all the four techniques available. Now we will see the grouping of the two adjacent cells, right? Grouping two adjacent cells, right? For example, see this example here, 1 is available, these two are grouped together. What is the advantage of grouping these two? See the correspondingly here what is available, a bar, right? So correspondingly what is available in these two terms, 0 1 1 0. So it is 0 and 1 will be got cancelled, right? So what we have, 0 1 and 1 1. So this 0 and 1 will be got cancelled. Only we have this 1 is available. This is nothing but variable c. So this side what we have, a bar, this is b bar and b that got cancelled. This will be c. So that what we got, a bar c, right? So this is the advantage. So these three variable now reduced to two variables, right? So we grouped these two cells horizontally. We grouped the two cells. Similarly, we can group the vertical manner also. Vertically, we can group these two cells. So while grouping those two vertical cells, this a bar and a got cancelled, right? So this is corresponding to a bar, this cell corresponding to a. So a bar got cancelled. What we have available in this, bc, right? So only the bc is the resultant value. Only we have bc, right? Similarly, we can rightmost and leftmost cells also grouped, right? So this cell and this cell can be grouped, right? What is available correspondingly here, a is available, a, right? What is the one more term? This term is available, 0 0. What is available here, 1 0. Say 0 0 and 1 0, right? So this 0, this 1 got cancelled. Only this 0 is available. This 0 is nothing but third term, c, that is c bar, right? So the third term is c bar, right? So correspondingly here what we have, a is available. In this 0 0 1 0 is available. This first 0 and this 0 1 got cancelled. The remaining 0 available, that is nothing but c. 0 means c bar, right? So we can group like this. So in the fourth combination, these three ones are available. So we grouped, the two groupings are there. These two are grouped together and these two are grouped together, right? While grouping these two, what is available here correspondingly, we have a bar. This a bar is written. So what is available in a vertical manner, 0 1 1 1. So 0 and this 1 got cancelled. Only we have 1. 1 is nothing but c, right? A bar c, right? Here what is available, a bar, Here this B got cancelled, only C is available. So A bar C. Now we can go to the second group. These two also group. While grouping these two, this corresponding A bar and A got cancelled, right? Here what we have A bar, here what we have A got cancelled. In vertical manner what we have 1 1. 1 1 means BC, BC, right? So finally A bar C plus BC. These two cells are grouped, resultant what we have A bar C. These two cells are grouped, resultant what we have BC, right? We'll go to some more example. So in this top and bottom, this top and bottom cells are combined together. This is a 4 variable map. So earlier is the 3 variable map. You have 4 variable maps are available, right? So this cell and this cell is grouped together. So what is correspondingly available here? A bar, B bar. That is 0 0 means A bar, B bar. What is correspondingly available here? A B bar, right? This one A bar, B bar, here A B bar. So this A and A bar got cancelled. Only what we have? B bar, right? Only we have B bar is available, right? A bar, B bar, A B bar. In that A and A bar got cancelled. Only we have B bar. What is available in the vertical manner? 0 1. 0 means C bar, 1 means D. So C bar D, right? So vertically we have 0 1 means C bar D. So the final is B bar C bar D, right? So this is the resultant value. We'll see one more example. So here the four ones are available. 1 2 3 4, right? So we can group these two and these two. So this vertical grouping is not needed. Already while grouping these two ones are covered. While grouping these two ones are also covered. So no need to group this vertical manner. If you group vertical manner, this one is alone, this one also alone. So it is better to group to horizontal grouping. No need to go vertical grouping. If we go vertical grouping, what will happen? This one we cannot group with anyone. This one also we cannot group with anyone. So it is better to reduce the expression. We can group these two in a horizontal, these two in a horizontal. Group 1 and group 2. This is not required, right? So while grouping these two, so what is the expression? What is available here? A bar. So A bar is written. What is available here? 0 1 1 0. So 0 and 1 is got cancelled. Only we have 1 1. 1 is C. That C is there. So A bar C. Similarly, while grouping these two, what is available here? A. So A is written. What is available here? 1 1 1 0. So 1 1 is available. 1 means B. This 1 and 0 is cancelled. There is a C. This is C. This is C bar. C and C bar got cancelled. Only we have B. So A B. Group 2 is A B. So finally, what we have? A bar C plus A B. Right? Now we'll go to the next example. Here grouping of 4 adjacent cell. Earlier we discussed 2 adjacent cell, now 4 adjacent cell. First consider this example. These 4 are combined together, horizontal manner. In a horizontal manner, these 4 ones are combined together. What is available here in this side? A, right? What about the vertical? All are got cancelled. 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, right? So this 0 is cancelled with 1. This 0 is cancelled with this one. So all are cancelled, right? All 4 terms are cancelled because complementary is available. BC available, here B bar C bar available. So all B bar C bar and BC everything got cancelled. These 4 terms are cancelled. Only we have A is available. So the value will be A, right? So this B bar C bar, B bar C, BC, B bar C bar all are got cancelled. We'll go into the next method. Here this vertically these 4 cells are combined together vertically. What is available here? CD, right? CD is written. What about this side? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 all are cancelled. This 0 is cancelled by 1. This 0 is cancelled by 1. This 0 is cancelled by 1. This 1 is cancelled by 0. So all are cancelled. Only we have CD, right? Only the CD is available, right? And we'll go to the some more examples. So at the center, these 4 ones are grouped together at the center. This is also one of the method. See what are the terms available here. So what is available here? A bar B. For this, what is available? AB, right? A bar B, AB. So A bar got cancelled. Only we have B is available, right? Similarly, go to the vertical manner. C bar D, C D. So the C bar and C got cancel. Only we have D. So finally we have B and D. Right? C bar, C got cancel. A bar, A got cancel. Only we have B here D. B into D. Here two adjacent cells, right, leftmost and rightmost cells are combined together, these two and these two. Now we'll see what is the resultant. While going these two, we need to refer these two. What is this? 1 1 1 0. So this 1 and 0 got cancelled. So what is this 1? 1 is nothing but A, right? So this 1 is nothing but A, right? Similarly, this side, what we have? C dash D dash. Here what we have? C D dash, right? So here C dash available, here C available, right? That got cancelled. Here D dash available, here also D dash available. So that the value will be D dash, right? So in this side what we got A, while combining this side we got D bar. So finally A D bar, right? We'll go to another two more example. So here four corners are combined together. Here all four corners, these four corners are combined together. Now we'll see what is the value. See this side. It is 0 0. Here 1 0. So 0 0 1 0 means this 1 and 0 got cancelled. Only this 0 is available. What is this 0? B bar. Right. Similarly, we go this side. Here C bar D bar available. Here C D bar available. So this C bar and C got cancelled. This D bar and D bar is available. So B D bar. Right. So this side what we got? B bar. While combining this side we got D bar. Right. So B bar D bar is the final value. Now we will see one more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ones are available. So how we are grouping? First we are grouping these 4 ones in a horizontal manner. Then these 4 in a box and these 4, right, so that we can cover all the ones, right? So this is the group 1. Horizontally we covered all. This is second group. This is third group. So we need to cover all ones. First we will see the first group, group 1. What is available here? AB. Sorry, AB is written. What about this? All are got cancelled. C bar D bar here, CD got cancelled. All the term cancelled. Only we have AB. Now we will have the group 2, second group. In this second group, what is available here? 1 1 1 0. So this 1 and 0 got cancelled. This 1 is available. This 1 is nothing but A. We will go into this vertical manner. C bar D bar CD. So the C bar C got cancelled. Only D is available. So that is D. So the final value is AD. Similarly, while grouping these two, here what we have? 1 1 1 0. So what is this 1 is A. This 1 and 0 is got cancelled. Only we have A. While going to this vertical manner, CD CD bar. So D D bar got cancelled. Only we have C. So the final value will be AC. Right. So the group 1 what we have? AB. Other terms cancel. Group 2 we have here A, here D. Group 3 here A, here C. Right. So the final value will be AB plus AD plus AC. Now we'll go to the grouping of 8 cells. So in the first one, horizontally the 8 cells are combined together. Right. All 8 cells are combined together. So what will happen? We'll go into this side. These two cells are covered. A bar B AB. So what happened? A bar and A got cancelled. Only we have B. What about this vertical? All are cancelled. Here C bar D bar is there. Here CD is there. So got cancelled. All 4 terms are cancelled. This A bar also cancelled. Only we have B is available. Right? While combining these 4 cells in a horizontal manner. Similarly, we will go to the vertical manner. So these 4 cells are combined vertically. Right? So what will happen this side? All are cancelled. A bar B bar is there. Here AB is there. All 4 terms are cancelled. Only we need to verify these 2 terms. Right? In this side, C bar D CD. C bar C got cancelled. Only we have D is available. So the answer will be D. Right? So this side all 4 terms are cancelled. These 2 terms C bar C cancel. Only we have D. Right? We will go to another 2 more example. Here the topmost and bottommost 4 ones are combined together. Right? These 4 and these 4 are combined together. we will see what happened to this side. This is A bar, B bar. What is available here? A, B bar. So A bar got cancelled. Only we have B bar. What about this side? These 4 cells automatically all are cancelled. C bar, D bar is there, here CD is there. So all 4 got cancelled. Only we have B bar, right? Now with this leftmost and rightmost 4 ones are combined together. Here topmost, top and bottom, here right and left, right? While combining right and left, what about these 4 cells? A bar, B bar, here A, B, all are cancelled. Only we need to verify this cell and this cell. Here what is available? C bar, D bar. Here C, D bar, right? So this C and C bar got cancelled. Only what we have? D bar. Here also D bar available. Here also D bar available. So this is the final value, D bar, right? So while combining 8 cell, we will get only one term. We will get the only one term. That is the advantage, right? So we discussed the 8 cells: horizontal, vertical, top and bottom, rightmost and leftmost. Now we will see what are the groupings not allowed, illegal grouping. So we cannot group like this. Either we can group horizontally or vertically. We cannot group in a crossed manner. This grouping is not allowed. Similarly, 3 cells, grouping of 3 cells not allowed, grouping of 5 cells also not allowed. Only the allowed is 1. We can group 1 cell, 2 cell, 4 cell or 8 cells. This is allowed, right? 3 cells or 5 cell, 7 cells are not allowed. And also the not allowed, it's not permitted to combine the crossed manner like this. One cell and the first row, one cell and the second row also not allowed. This combining 3 cells, combining 5 cells also not allowed. Only 1, 2, 4, 8 in a either horizontal or vertical manner or rightmost, leftmost or top and bottom is allowed. So this is the illegal grouping. So in this video we discuss about how to grouping the cells in order to go for further simplification, right? Grouping of 2 cell, 4 cell, 8 cell and illegal grouping. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.